Do you want to achieve a radiant glow without breaking the bank? Drink your collagen with this skin glow water infusion recipe that is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, minerals that makes your skin feels like a dream. So here I have goji berries. They are rich in antioxidants. They protect the skin from environmental stressors. They promote skin collagen production and improve skin elasticity. So I just have it soaked in a little bit water 10 minutes prior to shooting this video, because I want it to start infusing faster. I want to take my water in the next 1 hour. But if I had enough time to infuse my water for 2 hours, this is what goji berries looks like in its dry form. Yes, this is what it looks like in its pure dry form. So this is just it in the water. So, and then the next thing I have raisins. Raisins are a good source of antioxidant fibers and natural sugars. With this in your recipe, you will not touch any frizzy or soda drink. It makes your water sweet and they improve your skin texture, reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Your water is going to be very sweet throughout the day and you'll enjoy it just like the juice. Then we have lemon slices. You can use any citrus of your choice. Lemon and high in vitamin C, they boost collagen production, they brighten the skin and has natural astringent properties that protect and reduce pores on your skin. So if you have pores, you should definitely don't sleep on this recipe. And then we have chia seed. Chia seed are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, protein and fibers. They may help to nourish your skin, improve hydration and support collagen production. So yes, chia seed is a must-have for this recipe. And up next we have mint leaves. Mint leaves has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce inflammation and improve skin tones. So you need it too. And then we have hibiscus flowers, which are rich in antioxidants that helps to improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and promote collagen production. Don't sleep on this. These ingredients work together to boost collagen production, hydrate and nourish your skin, and protect it from environmental stressors. You want a brighter, smoother, or more radiant skin glow from within? This is the recipe you need. Simply add all your ingredients into your bottle or pitcher jars and allow this to infuse in the fridge for a few hours, at least from 2 hours. After 2 hours, feel free to start sipping this drink and refill it throughout the day. Or you can also infuse overnight, infuse a night before and start drinking it in the next morning throughout the day. Your water infusion for glow is ready. You can also experiment with different ingredients that you have available, adjust the quantity to your taste, and don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water, proper hydration is good for your skin any day, anytime. Drink this for 7 days and watch how your skin is going to transform from being dull to very radiant. If you enjoy this recipe so much, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next one. Bye.